successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring FlowAlgo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello everybody, this is Successful Trading on here. This is going to be a short video. In this video, we are going to show how to manage your position overnight to make sure that whatever happened the next day, you are relatively safe and you're even able actually to get ahead. That's what happened with a stock that has been part of the Successful Trading weekly alert. So the video actually was requested by the subscribers, believe it or not, because some of them are most of them are new. A lot of people have been joining Successful Trading subscription system this past week, so that's why I felt the need to do the couple of videos that we did was it 2 days ago about the entry in a bullish setup and then an entry on an X6 setup. I'm already getting feedback that people who are not even subscribed, they're already applying this. So meaning this free information that we are providing here on YouTube, we have always done that, folks. We have over 120 videos now and counting, the 10 baggers, all of the like. So please check them out. But very quickly on here, let me show you what happened. So the first thing is that B1 was one of our alerts. Now I'm giving it away. Well, those alerts are weekly, my friend. So come next week, we're gonna have what we have in store for you. And to the question, if you're wondering, did we make 10 baggers? Well, here's one of them. I'm going to show you that it was done more than a 10 bagger overnight. So, but how would you have been able to take advantage of it? Is by position management, right? So for us, as of now, let's go through over the details. So win BYND or BYND Beyond Meat was one of our alerts. So traders who came, they get this alert last Friday. So meaning, first of all, we give them on Friday to take advantage of gaps. For a stock like Beyond Meats, why am I struggling with this? Beyond Meats, BYND. Yeah, it's easy, BYND. So for a stock like this that gaps up and then has really this very, very just brutal move, very volatile moves, right? So the advantage was, hey, getting into position on Friday. So here already from Friday to Monday, this is Friday the 26th, right? I'm showing the 15 minutes chart on TradingView as we usually do. Actually, let me zoom it in here. Okay, that's where we are seeing everything. So in sideways on Friday mostly, but the subscriber got this alert before 1 hour or so. So the way we actually advise how to if you want to take any position overnight, you have to hedge it, meaning that buying calls and puts. So if you did, those who did that, you woke up within the first 15-minute candle, my friend, how many points did you get? 141 to 125. That's a whooping, starting on Monday, 15 points on an option. So the side of the puts on here on this option would have actually make you money. I could check actually to see, can I check to see exactly how much by applying that strategy? So let's go ahead. Oh yeah, but we will not have the price on the previous Friday. No, we will not have the price, but we can see by how much they went up. Can't we? Yeah, we can. Let's do that. So win, B1, BYND. Jesus Christ. Why do I have win on my mind? Yeah, because I want to do the other video on win. Okay, because last week we know a start trade on here. So let's go. We want to look at the put side of the option chain very quickly on here. We had so from 141 to 125. So meaning if you were trading, which one can we take? That's only 15 points. So for us, typically, are we giving our secrets? I don't know, but that's fine. So let's actually take a look at maybe this one. Doesn't matter. This is just, yeah. So let's look at how does this chart go. Can we have it? Yes, I think we can. So on Monday, very quickly, how high did they go? Okay, this is what we're talking about, folks. $3 here. I guarantee you on Friday, these puts, the 120 puts were not worth that. So you were able to make money. And actually, we have people who made money on this thing, taking it not overnight, but they traded it just that first candle there that we show you. So I'm not sure. So let me. Oh, Can we get it here? Yeah, here's the 26. Oh, jeez, of course it's there. Jeez, Telex, what are you saying? So here on the 26th on Friday, you could have gotten this for 34 cents, 35 cents. Yeah, I mean that the option hasn't closed, so you're gonna see the past date. And then on Monday you woke up within the first candle, it was printing $3.20. That's your first 10 bagger, my friend, by just applying this simple strategy. So the strategy is to have a strangle. A strangle is a put and a call at the same time. So in this case on here, how will you have gotten that? The B1 meets BYND was trading at $141, right? So for you, you will have bought July 2nd. You will have bought July 2nd, 20 points on each direction. You don't ask me, I will explain. Maybe I will have another video where I'm taking 20 points in each direction. The stock was trading and on close on Friday about 141. So 20 points, the closest round number. And then July 2nd, 120 put, which we are looking at right now. So 120 put. So they were on Friday at 0.34. So 34 cents. And they went as high as, they were on Friday. That's Friday. This is the price at Friday close. Friday, June 26, okay? And on Monday, June 29, they were worth $3.20 on that first candle as we saw. This is where I'm getting my $3.20, folks. Okay? I'm such in a hurry to do this video. $3.20, okay? So, and then after that, well, you had, you wake up in the morning, you had contract at 34 cents as you bought. So how much were these? Oh, geez, now I have to go find out what the price of these on Friday. Come on, people. Come on. So they were losing, but I need to put the price on there somehow. I need to put the price on there. Let me copy this and tell you, because the subscriber, they will get that mad at me if, Control V. Okay, so I need to go find the price of the July 2nd 160 call as of Friday. So for that, oh, I actually have them in the other screen. Ta-da! All right. So I need to show you that. Yeah, July 2nd, this is BYND 160 calls. So we are looking at the price when? We are looking at the price on the 29th, because the price I'm showing you right now, that spike there was for something else, because this thing just keep giving. So the 29 with the 26 and the last hour, I'm reading out the price here. These were worth 86 as the low, 86 cents, 90 cents. This is much earlier in the day, $1. So throughout the close on here, 92 cents. I'm going to round it up for you, right? Okay, so we're going to say buck, because that will make everybody happy. So $1 on here on Friday. So then on Monday, what will happen based on that? Monday will be the 29 at the open. So the 26 is worth about $1. I'm rounding up, actually less than that, 80 something, 90 cents really. So on Monday on the 29 is worth 25 cents. Okay, 20 cents, whatever. So the first candle, because that's where we measure the order price. So look at the bottom, folks. I'm reading my price there, 10 a.m. That's 25 cents, 30 cents. Okay, so that's fine. I can take it here. So this one is 0.3, thereabout. This actually technically, let's be honest here again. We cannot just round up numbers because you want 90, 95, whatever. It was less than that. You could have gotten it for less. So you spend about, let me round it up, $1.30, $130 on here, my friend. And then you come on here, you have 130 to 350. So from 150, 100 and random easy telex, 130 to $3 to 350. So on my calculator, I don't need to go there. There was my calculator. So from 130, because we need to do that, showing the people how much money they're making. So 350 will what the two position will have gotten you, minus rather, 130 that you spent, because as you know, I want to show them the percentage gain. 220 your profit, you divide that by 130, And that's it, 169% off of 24 hours. Okay. But there's more. There's more, folks, because what transpired through the rest of the week, this would have been Monday on the 29th of June, right? We are currently what's the video can attest of that? July 1st. The market just closed July 1st, so meaning we are just a mere 3 days later. We have a short week trading. This is how powerful. If you're wondering, how can these guys they trade weekly alert? Because we have stocks, we have a system, we have an AI, whatever you want to call it, that gives us stock that we know with a great percentage of success that they're gonna be making big move on that week. That's the value really of the subscription alerts. It's not just some random stock because somebody's talking about them on stock tweets, on Twitter, or on CNBC. No, none of that. We don't trade news. We don't trade earnings. This has come from a proprietary system that we have developed in 2017, and it gives to our subscribers the stock that are very likely to make moves. We don't know the direction overall. Hence, we teach them to recognize a bullish pattern, a bullish entry, a bearish entry. Those are the two videos we made a couple of days ago. So now we're giving you here how to manage the position overnight, or actually how to manage the position if you want to take it on a Friday. So people who did that on Friday on BYND using this strike price, they were able to wake up within the first 15 minutes to have a gain of 169. Not a bad way to start your week, okay? But even more so, meaning they had a 10 bagger on the put side. The call didn't make it. But what happened today, folks? Ta-da! So this contract, you still have it, right? And for us, we're actually teaching our traders that, hey, very early in the week, when you have this, please do not get rid of the so-called losing position. What actually you need to be doing, it's adding more contract because now they are cheaper that early. So imagine that you did that. Okay, so imagine if you fully took advantage of that. Let me put this aside. Lo and behold, what happened today? So this contract on here actually continue the 160 call. It was worth 30 cents on Monday, but so my friend, the time passed by, 2 days passed by, nothing. It's actually much more cheaper. So you could have bought it much more cheaper, adding more contract. Yes, we advise it for that. And this morning, you would have woke up, and then all of a sudden, padam, on the 10% gap up on BYND, $2.87. So my friend, so here, Mr. Sat, you asked for this video, right? So, so for you, add more cheaper ones. So at the tune of what? We saw 12 cents of the like, and then on Wednesday, this is Wednesday, folks. It's just 3 days into your trade. You got a spanking $2.87 on there. This is not a 10 bagger. This is more than a 20 bagger because 20 bagger will be $2.40. So this is how you do it, folks. I absolutely have to make this video. I cannot make this video any longer than this because come join Successful Trading. We will teach you in detail. Here, I'm going fast on anything. I spend time teaching it to people on one-on-one coaching session that we do on Zoom. You don't have to bring anything, just your computer connection. We show you everything. We do the setup of the chart that you see on here on TradingView. If we can get there, too many screens. So all of this, we will explain what they are. You don't know technical analysis, that's fine. We teach you technical analysis. We want you to become an expert on technical analysis. We do not want to be telling you what to do. You are your own person. Why should somebody, so-called guru, be telling you that, oh, go ahead and enter July 2nd, whatever, Facebook or whatever trade that they think. No, we want to empower you. We want to give you the tools such that you can get to your financial freedom, my friend. So if you find value in which that we are describing here as Successful Trading, please share your comments. A lot of people are doing that. Go check out our blog at successfultrading.com and share with your friends in social media. We will continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.